Hello, welcome to Math Just Got Easier for You. Today's lesson is on adding matrices. Whenever you're adding matrices, you have to be sure that the dimensions are the same. If the dimensions are not the same, you cannot add the matrices. In order to find the dimensions, we look at the number of rows compared to the number of columns. So in this case, we have 2 rows and we have 3 columns. So if we were to write the dimensions, we would say 2 by 3. Why? Because we have 2 rows by 3 columns. The same thing goes here. We have 2 rows, once again, by 3 columns. So since both of these are 2 by 3, we're able to add them. Now, whenever you are adding matrices, you have to make sure that your numbers that you are adding correspond to each other. For instance, we have the number 9 here that is located in the first row, and it's in the first position. It's also in the first column at the top. So if we were to look at which number in our second matrix corresponds, we would see that it is 0. So when we're adding, we're going to say 9 plus 0, which gives us 9. Let's go to our next one. We have 4, which is in our first row. It's the second number in the row, and it's in our second column on top. So what number corresponds over here? -6. So when we're adding, we'll say 4 plus -6, which gives us -2. Our next number is 7, located in the first row. Is our last number in that first row, and it's also located in our third column on top. 7 corresponds with the number 8. So I'm going to add 7 plus 8, which gives me 15. Now, looking at our -3, we have -3 corresponds with our +10. -3 plus 10 gives us +7. Our number 5 corresponds with the number 2. So 5 plus 2 gives us 7. Our 0 corresponds with the number 4 here. So we say 0 plus 4 gives us 4. So there you have it. We are adding matrices, making sure that our dimensions are the same and that we add the numbers that correspond with one another. Please make sure that you subscribe below for our upcoming lessons on matrices.